ಸೊ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅತಿಥಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. So this is me Aditya Pandit. I am from Nepal.
ಸೊ 11% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In how many months you made this 11%?
In 24 trading days.
Our viewers wants to know.
Correct.
What is your trading secret? So can you give some?
I would take more than 7 trades, 8 trades, 5 trades.
Yes.
And like the trading floor that this floor TIDI Academy provides, this floor no other XYZ company provides here. I have visited some other also, but the trading floor, the psychological development here is way too big and way too vast. And in Bangalore, like it is number one trading is TIDI Academy.
ಸೊ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅತಿಥಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೇಪಾಳ್ನಿಂದ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇವರು ನೇಪಾಳ್ನಿಂದ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಭಾರತದ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
Namaskara Karnataka. So this is me Aditya Pandit. I am from Nepal, a graduate computer science student. Currently been into the market from 3.5 years and basically doing into swing, intraday, scalping and all those things. And been into here TIDI Academy, taken a mentorship course, and I am here since 3 months, and I am here in the ocean of stock market where I have learned so many things, so many strategies, and main important thing is the psychological principle of the stock market.
So coming back to your trading,
Yeah.
so how did you know about trading first of all? So why did you choose the field called trading? Because you are coming from Nepal.
Correct.
And you are coming here to India for learning, studying engineering.
Correct.
See, in this, engineering is very tough.
Yeah.
But how did you find time to learn stock market?
Yeah, but actually the thing goes around started from like Instagram live where influencer people just tends to just enter into the market. So I had one of the influencer and mentor in Nepal. So I started with IPO there.
Okay.
I entered into the share secondary market we call. But after that, when I came to India here, I saw lots of opportunities like option trading, hazing, and all those strategies. Like those are not yet implemented into the Nepal right now.
Yes.
So by this, like I was very eager to learn and all those. And recently, I started from Nika IPO.
Okay.
And by luckily, I got a first IPO allotted. So which just pushed me and encouraged me to yes, we should have started. And since this is the financial freedom thing, so by the time of engineering, I could learn something. If I will not learn, though I will be getting my pocket money from my parents.
Okay.
So at least I will be getting a good lesson from the market itself.
Okay.
So by this, like I started.
So you wanted to do something through Instagram influencers, you got to know about stock market.
Correct. Yes.
So then, how was your journey? Beginning stages.
Initial days, like in my native, like if I got allot in any of the IPOs, the sum would get around 2x to 3x.
Okay.
So by luckily also I got first 2 IPO allotted, which also pushed me. And after that I faced a certain loss, but everything is in the market itself. So once I learned the statistics, once I learned the math about this, I can definitely earn. I got the encouragement. And apart from that, like being the first mentor in Nepal, so he also encouraged me, take your time, it's just your starting phase. And I was just around 18-19 years old at that time.
Okay.
So I started gradually, and since I've been here, there was a lot of opportunities. And here like YouTube live and all those bank nifty trade index funds, swing trades, these things are very much new for me regarding this, and slowly and gradually I proceeded.
See, what made you failure in the initial stage? You
Yes.
told you lost money, right?
Correct.
Now I think we can see your profit. You are in very good profit of 11% returns you are making. 12,561 rupees profit in scalping, and cash market 1,39,552 profit in cash market. So that is in how many months you made this 11%?
In 24 trading days.
Okay, in 1 month you have made
Correct.
11%. It's a great return. So I think now you are successful. So how do you feel? So from failure, so you were a loser or a failure, world will always think you are a failure.
Correct.
But surpassing that failure and your success towards this, how you are feeling now?
I am feeling very much grateful. Startingly, like in swing trades also, I used to success. I used to success to the 10% to 12% of returns.
Okay.
But the main concern was option trading for me.
Okay.
I have definitely faces 2 years of continuous losses, more than 5 lakhs
Okay.
into the option trading. These things are not. I have not been told to my parents as well. But this is the thing. Like this is the learning stage, and since I passed from the failure season. Before I used to take, I used to sit from 9 to 3.
Okay.
I would take more than 7 trades, 8 trades, 5 trades.
Okay.
That was like unpredictable. But now I sit full time onto this trading floor as well. Apart from this, I will sit onto my home, and I hardly find 1 to 2 trade now.
Okay.
That is onto my point. And
So-
sometimes stop loss is a part of game. So, but profit is nice.
You have stopped your over trading.
Over trading journey, risk management, all those things has been.
See, you are in Bangalore. That too, being an engineering student, you know, definitely would prefer going to the English coaching classes. But somehow you found TD Academy. So TD Academy teaches in both English and Kannada. But how did you find TD Academy?
I was just looking onto the random pages and all where I can learn the mentorship package. Actually, I was fully focused of taking mentorship because I knew I learned many things from YouTube. But YouTube do have the vast content and varieties of things, varieties of strategies that it gives. The proper psychology and the principle that has to be developed in trading. The first rule of trading is that. I learned it now. So after this, like I just surfed into the YouTube, and in Bangalore, like it is #1 trading is TD Academy. A second are XYZ. But what happens is like nothing is apart from learning. Like there is the fundamental term like how mentor will mentor you.
Yes.
And I took a demo class here. First day I came and I just took a demo class, and it was very much pretty awesome that I felt it in the first sight.
Okay.
So despite in Kannada, I took a risk. Like I don't understand Kannada a little bit also.
Okay.
But despite it, like if I will get to learn, I will definitely get something here.
Yes.
And like the trading floor that this floor TD Academy provides, this floor no other XYZ company provides here currently in Bangalore. I have visited some other also, but the trading floor, the psychological development here is way too big and way too vast here.
Thank you. If you can see your portfolio, you have a mixture of most of them are mid caps and even large caps also you have. So what and all the things you see before taking any trades? And I mean, picking any stock, what are the things you see?
So basically starting with the fundamental.
Yes.
Then like we have the CPR pivot points, RSI strategy, 180 degree strategy, and mostly now I prefer is like EMA crossover.
Okay.
Then we have the candlesticks pattern like bullish engulfing, haramis and all those. So these are the patterns like first I will identify in the month, week and day basis. So the swing trade taught me like longer the time frame, higher the returns.
Okay. So you have your own checklist, like it should satisfy crossovers, it should satisfy RSI,
Correct.
it should satisfy 180 degree rule, it should satisfy many things,
Correct.
Fundamentals, then only you take a trade.
Technicals.
So earlier blindly you need to trade.
I used to just to look at chart and I used to say, oh yeah, this is weak and this is coming into up. So I will just take a trade randomly.
So earlier you used to go only technicals, now you are going fundamentals.
I also used to go along with the patterns, cup and handle and all those, but I didn't knew that how cup and handle would work. YouTube taught how cup and handle executes, but it does not take how to risk manage that and how to take a trade. So these things I have learned in this floor.
Okay. So it has been how many months being to TD now?
It's been around 3 months, not yet completed.
Okay. So in options, how do you take a trade? Because our viewers wants to know.
Correct.
What is your trading secret? So can you give some inputs to them so that they also be profitable?
Yeah. So I do follow screener.
Okay.
At the first. Second thing, one day before I do look into Nifty 50 stocks or crossover or the down which is going below the EMA crossover lines, and there is like 200 EMA strategy. Okay. So I do look into it. I do analyze. I basically follow pivot points and volume oscillator in those. So with that, like I am able to take a trade. In this, like my ratio is still around 60%. We can definitely call it 50-50%. I am yet to learn more things about here. Like I will be learning gradually these things.
So far out of 10 trades you take, you are able to crack 6 trades?
Yeah, currently. So yes.
So my question is, let's say you are losing first 4 trades.
Correct.
What is the risk involved in the first 4 trades?
I would prefer like 10% as a my stop loss currently.
10% because it's like an intraday you're doing.
Correct.
So you are mainly a short-term trader.
Yes.
Along with you do some scalping and make intraday also.
Correct.
So these are, see, let's say in future you will become an employee of one corporate company.
Yeah.
You don't have time. Then what trading style will you adopt?
So right now I'm going for my masters. So with that, like I don't have time to do this option trading and scalping. So my primarily focus will be on swing trade, some short term and long term as well.
Okay.
So with this, my EMA strategy, RSI 30, 180 degree, all those strategy will cover me.
Okay. So you want to sacrifice scalping then?
Correct.
So,
But till then, I will be free. Like I can do scalping.
yes. So ultimately, so do's and do nots.
Yeah.
So you have struggled in your first 4 years of your journey.
Yes.
So what struggles you have put? I mean, what struggles you have done? I mean, undergone.
Yeah.
So give some inputs to our viewers so that they should not do this mistake. What are the mistakes people do?
Okay. The first thing mistake is like very important. I learned from the TIDI Academy itself. Like first thing is trading psychology. You have to completely change your trading psychology. No trades apart from 2 losses or so, right? Depends upon people, their funds and availability. And apart from that, like your risk management, psychology and your particular principle. If you have taken a trade and its stop loss is suppose 180 at a price of 180, then it should be 180. When it comes to 179, okay, it will go, it will take a week and it will go. We should not think that. Yes. Yeah, if it is 180, then it is 180. That is over. Yes. So follow your stop loss, follow your SL limit, trigger price, all those. And definitely like these are the mistakes that I have been doing in my past. And the struggles are like, I used to get a fund. I used to get my pocket money. I used to trade at this. If I got a loss, I used to sit a full month like a naked. I would have nothing to do. Again next month I would get some funds and again I would do start. So like gradually this I am struggling. I was struggling to take a trade. I was literally afraid to take a trade in options because if I lose, I will have to sit 1 month by doing nothing, by not traveling and anything.
Okay. So you used to go for depression also?
I don't used to go for depression, but I had a strong mindset that yes, today or tomorrow I will learn this and I will crack this.
So see, there are many youths watching this video.
Correct.
And even the people from Nepal also will be watching this. So what you want to tell people of Nepal and people of India?
Yeah.
So how is stock market and how valuable to someone's life?
So stock market is like you will be completely independent. No one will be your boss or no one will be something that will put you something in your head. This is completely by your own. I am trading by my own risk. You will be trading by your own risk, right? So this is also a study. I did my engineering taking 4 years. This will also take some more years to learn, but once it will be, this is the sustainable income and you don't need to go around, go to the place and do the trade and all those. You can wherever sit and trade, however you will be earning, and it is just a money minting machine if you will be you will be taking a trade in a correct way.
Yes.
If it is gambling, if you are thinking about doing gambling or taking variations of trade, you will never succeed in stock market.
Yeah, definitely. Even I suggest people who are watching, there are many youngsters like him, so who wants to come to market, but they don't have proper guidance. So they will lose money by doing some naked options or intraday. So stop doing naked options or intraday because ultimately you want to make money here, but not today. So you should take your time. 1 month you take time and make money in 1 month. So that is a good thing. And scalping is not everyone's cup of tea. Please learn it properly. Then only you come for a market because stock market is a vast ocean. We are all small fishes in the ocean.
Correct.
So keep this in mind. So have a proper risk management. To be successful, so we need to learn a lot of things from Aditya Pandit. So his successful journey begins with failures. He is successful today because he is correcting from his mistakes.
Yes.
So thank you, Mr. Aditya, for being with TIDI Academy. I hope you will definitely shine in future days also, and be calm and cool. And market gives enormous money. So all the best to your future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋದು ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. 3 ದಿನಗಳ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ, ಶನಿವಾರ, ಭಾನುವಾರ.
ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ 10 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 2 ಗಂಟೆ, ಶನಿವಾರ 10 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 5 ಗಂಟೆ, ಭಾನುವಾರ 10 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 5 ಗಂಟೆ. ನಮ್ಮದು 4 ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಲಹಂಕ, ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರ, JP ನಗರ, ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರೊಂದು QR ಕೋಡ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. 500 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಟೋಕನ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೀಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೊದಲೇ ಸೀಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಸಿಗೋಣ ಇದೇ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊಂದಲವಿದೆಯಾ? ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿರಲಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ TIDI ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯ ಗ್ರಾಹಕ ಸೇವಾ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಸಲಹೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.